How many terms of the series 15 plus 12 plus 9 plus dot 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 must be taken to get sum as 15? Explain the double answer. So here we are given a series 15 plus 12 plus 9 plus dot dot dot. The question is asked to find out how many terms must be taken in this series so that the sum comes out to be 15. It means we need to calculate the value of n, number of terms. Isn't that? So let's go to the solution. We'll suppose let A be the first term, D be the common difference, and n be the total number of terms. So if we take n terms in this series, we will get the sum as 15. Is this clear? So A, this A is the first term, which is 15. D, the common difference is given by 12 minus 15, or you can do 9 minus 12 as well. The same difference, minus 3 will come. And as n, sum of n terms is provided as 15. How n has come? Because we have said n terms to be taken. Isn't that? Now, before we continue, we must know our formula. We know Sn, sum of first n terms of AP is given by n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. Is this clear? Now, we know that sum is given by this formula. The sum Sn is provided as 15. N is unknown. 2a, a is also provided 15. And d, the common difference is provided as minus 3. Isn't this? So we'll input the values of Sn, a and d to get this line. After this, within the bracket, this 2 into 15 can be done, which is equal to 30. And this minus 3 will multiply both these terms. Isn't that? So minus 3 when multiplies n, we get minus 3n. Minus 3 when multiplies minus 1, we get plus 3. In next line, this 30 and this 3 can be added to get 33. Remaining terms are copied as it is. Now, we will do cross multiplication. This 2 will be taken to other side to multiply with 15. That is 15 into 2 is equal to the right hand side. Remaining portion is copied. After this, 15 into 2 is 30. The remaining terms are copied as it is. Now in right hand side, you can check this n will multiply 33 and n will multiply 3n to get 33n minus 3n square. Now we will bring all these terms from right hand side to left hand side to get this line. Now I hope you know how to factorize a quadratic equation. So please try on your own. On factorization, we are going to get these steps and ultimately we'll get n minus 10, 3n minus 3 is equal to 0. It means either n minus 10 is equal to 0 or 3n minus 3 is equal to 0. After this, from here we are getting n is equal to 10 and from here we are getting n is equal to 1. We got two values of n. One is 10 and the next is 1. That is what the question has said, the double answer. Isn't that? Now we need to explain why this double answer came. Why two values of n have come. We have to explain. Isn't this? So we are given the series 15 plus 12 plus 9. In our question it was given dot 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 dot, but using our common sense we can find out the next terms as well. So 15, 12, 9 and then 6, 3, 0, minus 3, minus 6, minus 9, minus 12 and so on. I have taken terms up to minus 12 only. Remaining terms if you want you can take if you want. Now in this case if you check, when you add all these terms, how much are you going to get? You are going to get 15. Means when you add all these terms you are going to get the sum as 15. Is this clear? So you are going to get 15. But if you don't take these terms, means if you don't take terms from 12 till minus 12, means if you don't take terms from T2 till T10, again in that case you will get the sum as 15. How? Because you will be left with only one term 15. 15 is T1 as well as it is S1. What does S1 represent? S1 represent the sum of first one term. Sum of first one term means it is T1 itself, isn't this? And how much is T1? T1 is 15. It means if we take S1, it comes out to be 15. And if we take S10, S10 means this one. You can count altogether we have 10 terms over here. S10 is also 15. Now how come S10 equal to 15? You can check over here. Here is minus 3 and here is plus 3. They will cancel out each other. Here is minus 6 and here is plus 6. They will cancel out each other. Similarly, minus 9 and plus 9 will be cancelled. Plus 12 and minus 12 will be cancelled. That means we are left with plus 15 and plus 0, which is equal to 15. It means S10 is also 15. Is this clear? Again, I repeat, even if you don't take these terms, only 15 is left, and 15 means T1. T1 is also S1. So S1 is 15. Means we got sum as 15 in two cases, when n is equal to 1 and when n is equal to 10. Is this clear? So these terms can be avoided if we want the sum as 15. Only 15 can give the sum as 15, or if you take all these terms it will give the sum as 15. So the double answer is coming due to a negative common difference. How much is the common difference in our given series? It is minus 3. And because of the negative common difference, we are getting negative terms. And because of these negative terms, we are getting our positive terms cancelled out. Plus 12, minus 12, and so on, they are cancelled out. And that's why we are getting the sum as 15. That is the reason we are getting double answer.